Hi, my name is Vijay Venkat, and today we'll be talking about the basic communication skills. So, there are four barriers in communication. They are the psychological barriers, the cultural barriers, the linguistic barriers, and the attitude barriers. So, today we'll be taking on the two important barriers of that is, the linguistic barriers and the attitude barriers. And when we talk about linguistic barriers, here comes the what we normally call as MTI, the mother tongue influence. So this is common for most of the people, not only in India but across the globe. MTI is common. Suppose we talk about MTI in India or the mother tongue influence in India. We can talk about as an example like some people have difficulties in pronouncing the word we, the word be, or even the word z or z. So this is primarily not because they don't know how to speak English. It is because that's how their mother tongue pronounces these words. So summary is that everyone can speak English, but there are some linguistic barriers, or we can call it as mother tongue influence barriers. So there are various issues where there are various ways of overcoming a mother tongue influence. There are many tongue exercises which we can do to to come over the mother tongue influence. Like our body needs exercise, our tongue also needs exercise to come over the mother tongue influence. So there are various tongue twisters available online which we can practice to come over this mother tongue influence. So, and the other barrier is the attitude barrier. So, how do we overcome the attitude barrier? This is primarily what we are inside, not we are what we are outside. So, attitude is I know everything and I don't need to do any exercise. No, this is attitude. And as long as you are staying learnable, as long as you are ready or open to learn things, the attitude barrier will disappear. So how do we do this? First, we should understand that first we should understand like how many words we know in English. So there is a way to test it. Suppose you list down all the words you know from A to Z. Then like how many words you know today and how you can improve on that. There are various tools available online to improve vocabulary. So we will be doing this in more detail in coming sessions. But let us talk about the linguistic barriers. Linguistic barriers, again, as I told, it is depends on the mother tongue. Suppose you are an Odia speaking or a Bengali speaking or even a South Indian. So there are few words you go strong on. There are few words you go weak. So you should practice this, record the audio, and listen to it to understand where you're going wrong and to overcome those. So I'll be suggesting more exercises to